कमल सर की ज्योग्राफी की फंडे अब कभी नहीं आएंगे वनडे. Students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is map of India. In the previous video, we have discussed the names of the states of India, their location and their position. For the names of the states, I told 4 mantras. See this video and go to the link in this description. Okay, let's see how much you know about the states. I will show you a state. You have to identify the name of that state. If you find the name, you will get 10 marks. After that, I will give 5 clues one by one, and you deduct your 2 marks of each clue. Are you ready? So, first state is, I know you can identify this state. If not, don't worry. I will give you first clue. The longest river of India enters to India through this state. Second clue is, McMahon line divides India and China from this state. Okay. Third clue. This state has lowest density of population in India. True. The official language of this state is English and religion is Christianity. Land of rising sun. These are 5 clues. The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Students, now I will give you an easy state. Here is the state. This state is a largest producer of cotton. Second, one city of this state is known as the Manchester of India. Third is petrol producing area. Fourth is Sabarmati is the longest river. Others are Narmada and Tapi. Some part of Narmada and Tapi fall in this state. Tropic of Cancer crosses from this state, and Arabian Sea touches its boundaries. Yes, the answer is Gujarat. My third state is, first clue is, this state produces 2 main crops of India. Second, this state having an area of world's largest delta. Third, in 1955, Iron and Steel Company was established with the help of British. Next clue is, 3 countries touches the boundary of this state: Nepal, Bhutan. Third, question mark. Last clue is, 2 main straight rivers. One is Hooghly and second is Damodar. Yes, I think you find the name of this state. The answer is West Bengal. Surprised? The third country was Bangladesh.